We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP M277 and we're going to show you what to do if you start noticing some blemishes or lines or anything like that whenever you're making copies or scans. Usually that's going to indicate there's something dirty on your scanner glass. So the first place you're going to want to start is by opening up the top of your scanner and just kind of looking over your glass, seeing if you see anything on it physically, any little black spots, tape, things like that. And that's going to give you a good idea of where you need to focus a lot of your cleaning on. Also, you notice there's two separate pieces of glass. You have a large piece of glass here for your face-down flatbed copying, and there's a small strip of glass here on the left. And what this small strip of glass is for is whenever you're using this top document feeder for your copies or scans, all that's being copied or scanned right here on this little piece of glass on the left side of the printer. So that'll also help you troubleshoot and figure out which piece of glass you need to focus most of your cleaning on, depending on when you're seeing those blemishes occurring. If you notice it for when you're using this top document feeder, then you're really going to focus most of your cleaning on this little piece of glass on the left. If you notice it when you're doing your face-down copies, then you want to focus most of your cleaning here on this big piece of glass. So that's just a good troubleshooting tip, so you can kind of focus in on wherever that cleaning needs to be done. Once you get that all figured out, all you need is a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner available, you can use something like rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. Other than that, the biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your glass cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply your glass cleaner directly to the glass on the printer. If you do that, you run a high risk of the cleaner seeping underneath the glass, and that's going to cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth, never to the glass on the printer. After that, you're just going to want to go ahead and wipe down all the glass, making sure to get rid of any fingerprints, dust, dirt, hair, tape, ink, anything like that. Keeping in mind that some things like whiteout or ink can be a little harder to get off, a little more stubborn. You might have to go over them a few more times. But once you're happy with the way everything looks, make sure you give it one more last visual inspection. You don't see anything else sitting on there somewhere hiding. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, I'd recommend doing a couple test copies or a couple test scans. Usually I'll go ahead and do a test copy and test scan from both. You're using both methods. So I use both the top document feeder and the flatbed scanner just to make sure in the future, since I cleaned both of them, I'm not having any more problems. Everything looks good. If you're still getting some faint little lines or faint little blemishes, there's still probably something on the glass that's just a little harder to see. Go ahead and repeat that cleaning process one more time. That should take care of it. Other than that, you should be good to go. If you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'll be glad to try to help you out with those. Other than that, I hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.